incredible thing about Frank Wedekind's Spring Awakening is it's a play written at the turn of the 20th century, between 1890 and 1891, looking at the sexual awakening of a group of young people in secondary school, their battles with depression, with academic pressure, rebelling against their parents. And although it was written in 1891, it still manages to feel just as contemporary today, I think because of the bravery through which Wedekind approached the issues in the play and the frankness with which he depicted the sexuality of the young teenagers. Now, of course, the world has changed a lot between 1891 and now, and you can't really talk about this play without talking about, I think, the misogyny that is in the original, that there's a lot of excitement about young women becoming sexually aware, about the curiosity that young boys have, but it's very much in terms of, well, I suppose stereotypes about how women and men want sex and how they have sex with one another. So I've long wanted to do this play, but I knew that if I was going to do it in 2019, that we had to crack it open, that we had to look at it critically, we had to understand where the playwright was coming from, but we also needed to say something different through the journey the characters took in the play. And I hope that we've accomplished that with Transitions, a Spring Awakening play, particularly emphasizing more the perspectives of the young women, exploring queer female sexuality as one of the major ways into the play, and also really opening up the language of dance and movement as part of the world that we've built together.